I'm Peter from Gardenworks, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up a water bowl on your patio or in your garden and add some ambiance to your environment. First thing you want to do is choose a bowl. I've chosen an Aquascape fiberglass bowl, but you can choose anything you like. A ceramic bowl, or there are some beautiful ceramic bowls out there. You could even use a planter and just plug the hole and make sure that it's watertight. One thing to consider is that you do want to circulate the water, and for that you will need a pump and a power outlet. You do not need an access to a hose or a tap. I have chosen a bamboo accent splitter, which is going to have a pump on it, which is going to circulate the water for you. There are a lot of options for the pumps. You can choose different sizes depending on the size of your reservoir or your pot. This one has a little area that actually allows you to hide your cord. Perfect. Puts it over the top like that, and you place your fountain. Simple enough, just plug it in. So you've got your fountain set up. All you have to do now is put some plants in. I've chosen an arrow leaf, a Colocasia. I'm going to put it underneath like that. A little Marsh Marigold. I think that's good. As you can see, the Marsh Marigold has a shallow pot, but the arrow leaf has got a tall pot, so I'm going to cut that off so it's not showing above the water. And finishing touches, I'm going to add some Salvinia, just some floating plants. So there you have it. Took me 5 minutes to put this all together. There are lots of plants coming into the garden center right now, so there are lots to choose from. Lots of different containers you can choose to create your water bowl. Have some fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.